In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move rows and columns in Google Sheets the fastest way. Google Sheets is a powerful tool for managing and organizing data, but sometimes we need to rearrange our data to better suit our needs. Whether you're cleaning up your spreadsheet or simply reorganizing your information, understanding how to efficiently move rows and columns can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. Once you're in, you might notice that your data isn't quite in the order you need it to be. That's okay, because moving columns is a breeze. Imagine you have data in column C that you want to move over to the very beginning of your sheet, to column A. Simply go ahead and click directly on the column header for column C. You'll know you've selected it when you see the entire column highlighted. With column C selected, the next step is to click and drag. Click on the column header again with your cursor and hold down the mouse button. As you begin to drag the column to the left, you'll notice a small vertical blue line that appears between columns. This line shows where your column will be positioned when you release the mouse button. Drag until the blue line is positioned between the headers of columns A and B. Once you're happy with the position, simply release the mouse button. Presto! Your column C data is now residing in column A. Now let's switch gears and talk about moving rows. Perhaps you find that a particular row of data, let's say row 6, needs to be moved down to create a better chronological order or to improve the overall flow of your information. Start by clicking on the numbered header at the far left of row 6. Just like with the columns, you'll see the entire row highlight, indicating that it's selected. Now, just as you did with the column, click and hold on the row number. While holding down the mouse button, drag your row down through the worksheet. You'll see a horizontal blue line this time, indicating where your row will be placed once you release the mouse. Move the row down until the blue line falls between row 11 and row 12. Release the mouse, and there you have it. Row 6 is now happily relocated to its new spot as row 12, and there you have it. Simple as that. With these steps at your fingertips, you can now reposition any row or column swiftly, ensuring your data is organized exactly as you need it. Remember that practice makes perfect, and with these tips, you'll be a Google Sheets pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our channel for more helpful shortcuts and tips on efficiently managing your data.